Hello friends, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In this video we will see how to use between keyword in SQL query. So first of all, open terminal. MySQL -u root -p. Okay, so databases, we have data test database here. Show tables, we have student table here. Let us see what are the values present in that table. Okay, so we have roll number, name and surname. Now I want to fetch the values on the basis of roll number, that list of all the students that have roll number between 501 to 514. Okay, so how would we do it? With the help of AND keyword. So we write something like this: select star from student where roll number is greater than or equal to 502, and again roll number, we have to write roll number twice. Roll number less than or equal to 514. Okay, fire this, and you can see we are getting these three records. Now instead of using AND keyword, we can use between. Right, select star from student where roll number between 502 and 514. Okay, as you can see, we are getting the same result in both of the queries. So instead of using AND keyword, we can directly use between. It searches for the range. The 502 is the lowest and 514 is the biggest. So if you have column like salary or any number that have specific ranges, and you want to select the list of employees, students, or whatever records that are present in your table, you can use between keyword. Okay, and in this query you do not need to write the name of the column twice. So just close this, open MySQL workbench. The method is same. Write select star from student where roll number between, let's say, 500 and 515. As you can see, These are the records which lies between 500 to 515. Okay, thanks for watching it.